From will to probate court, the journey of a dead man's estate. Did you know probate doesn't have to take years? But because of a few careless mistakes, the matter may be set back months or even years. Now, what is probate? Probate is the court-supervised validation or proving of a deceased will. It involves giving executors the legal authority to get in assets, to pay debts, taxes, estate duties, etc. It also involves the getting in of assets and the distribution of assets in accordance with the wishes of the testator as stated in the will. Now, probate, as I've indicated, there can be, it's a layered. The process can be slow because it is cautious and it is paperwork heavy, but it seeks after certainty. So there can be some time lapse as a consequence. Now, in probate, when names do not match, for example, land title, the names on the land title doesn't match the name on the death certificate or in the documentation that is being filed into court, that can be a problem and that can delay the matter. All right. Also, there can be situations and circumstances wherein the executor or the executors may have to sell certain assets in order to raise funds in order to complete the process. They may have to do third-party transfers as well. So sometimes it takes time depending on the particular circumstance. Now, in the meantime, if there are objections by relatives, the matter become contentious and can take on years of litigation because you may need a judge to adjudicate on the issues being raised. Now, in the meantime, what happens to the estate? Assets remain without making an income. Taxes accrue. The real estate or the house itself deteriorates and because of lack of maintenance and so on. You find that children may grow up without proper resources as a consequence, and elderly persons and elderly spouse or elderly relatives become cash strapped and not able to live full lives as a consequence because of financial constraints. So as a consequence also during the process, you may find that emotions run high, families stop speaking to each other. You may find in relation to the actual process, resentment builds, and so on and so forth, and bitterness ensued. So probate can be a testing process, not just testing the will of the people involved, but also testing relationships. But it need not be so. If things are properly put in place and clear, and you get competent legal personnel to deal with your matter, the process can be incident free and free of difficulties. All right? So, until we meet again, please remember to subscribe, to share and like and follow. God bless you. Amen.